Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Regedit as administrator and immediately create a full export of the key you intend to change. This saves you from accidental loss. Once done, navigate to the vendor or app-specific path under HKey current user / software where sensitivity or macro entries live, because editing the wrong key breaks behavior. Make sure the target program is closed and automatic updates are disabled, so saved values don't get overwritten while you work. Next, find the specific word or string entries labeled Sensi, DPI, or macro profile names. These control input curves and macro trigger thresholds. You will edit numbers in small increments, often 5 to 10%, because large jumps produce unpredictable behavior. Once you alter a value, save and relaunch the app to test responsiveness. If it feels off, revert to the backup immediately. Also add a new profile name rather than overriding defaults, and log original numbers in a text file. Finally, wire the macro menu by adding or editing keys that reference your macro file paths and menu order. Ensure each entry uses the correct file name and extension so the app can read them. Once saved, restart the application or the system if the menu doesn't populate. Clearing the app cache or toggling a menu-enabled flag often resolves display issues. If anything breaks or input behaves strangely, restore the exported reg backup. Then apply only one change at a time to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.